I've been working for Technidyne for over 30 years now, and as a testament to the quality of the equipment, I've done training for not only our technicians but also customers. And one thing that I always get comments from is how long the equipment has lasted out in the field. That's not uncommon to hear even today. Through our maintenance program, we've been able to partner with our customers and provide the maintenance that keeps this equipment up and going. They really appreciate the service and also the support that they get with that service. So when someone calls in with a problem, they know they're going to be taken care of. Preventative maintenance is critical. It keeps your instrumentation standardized to the industry standards. Make sure that the numbers that you're reporting at this mill agree with your sister mill across the country or the world. That everybody is reporting the same numbers regardless of where it's being manufactured. The other bonus that you get with the maintenance program is we do predictive maintenance, where we try to look at things that we know are perishable items, like a lamp or an air filter, air valves, those simple type of things that need to be replaced on a routine basis. But we try to do it before it fails, because downtime costs money. And the less downtime you have, the more money you can make.